Hello, today we'll be sharing the Lovelytics demo of our Databricks native Drilling Intelligence Accelerator. We built this accelerator to serve oil and gas organizations because of a shared challenge. We see that their drilling, completion, and production data are often siloed. This leads to multiple sources of truth that make scalable AI and ML difficult to integrate, and that results in challenges using modern analytics to drive real-time decision-making. Operators are often left swivel chairing between 10 or more applications before making a decision. Our solution looks to address this challenge by bringing together your various data sources from SCADA, well configurations, GIS repositories, work order histories, and more into a single pane of glass. Powered by Databricks native capabilities, we blend this data together into refined layers of intelligence. In addition, we layer on a semantic layer that brings your organization's domain documents, terminology, and operating procedures into a unified custom application. This application is yours to refine and customize with no ongoing license fee. Your data is made available to you through a modern interactive web app that visualizes your information with live metrics, 2D and 3D visualizations, forecasted insights, automated risk detection, and GenAI summarization and chat. Together, these capabilities allow you to reduce your limiters faster, identify risks earlier, and increase your uptime to meet the ever-changing demands of your business. So let's get into the demo. This page shows a well pad of 16 wells in various stages. Here you can see live updating metrics flowing into the application. In addition, you can start to see the capabilities for this application to visualize information in a variety of ways, here being a map visualization. Furthermore, you'll see AI-powered alerts are visible to this manager to see the overall risks across the assets. Let's dive into the details of one well. This well is in the middle of drilling. You can see our accelerator has the ability to present information as 3D visualizations in addition to 2D visuals and KPI metrics. You will also notice the ability to trend and forecast measures over time to identify issues and resolution sooner. And importantly, we can summarize those insights with AI to produce succinct yet informative alerts that require operator attention. In this case, you can see stick slip risk has been identified. Operators can integrate those alerts back into work management systems, or they can even use GenAI to probe deeper and generate more insights. This uses cutting-edge Databricks Genie agents powered by the same underlying data and context that the system ingests. The end result focuses your engineers for what to look at, so they don't have to go wade through all the data elements, hunting and finding it themselves. In addition to the drilling view, you will see similar views for fracturing and production. You will notice many similarities in the overall setup, but part of the power of this accelerator is the flexibility that Databricks provides to ingest large varieties of data at high velocity, the ability to process these to your needs, and to serve back up descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive insights. We hope you've enjoyed this brief demo and see how you can stop swivel chairing, make calls faster, and see problems before they are realized. We look forward to talking next on how we could pilot this in the Permian. Thank you.